Nessa Sunshine here and bringing you this look. So let's go ahead and get into this first impression sort of tutorial. I'm going to use the Nabla Brow Divine and I think the color is Uranus, so it's like the brow is from Anastasia. So I'm gonna start and see what my first impression of this is. So far I'm liking it. Have you guys heard of Nabla before? It goes on pretty smooth and I don't see it reacting weird with my skin. Let's do the other brow. It blends out well with the brush. I like that. I feel like I could get a really good natural looking brow with this pencil. It looks like it's buildable as well as I'm working with it more. I'm gonna use the Nabla Soul Blooming eyeshadow palette and we're first gonna go into that shade Bolero with a blending brush. Start in the outer corner bouncing and then doing circular motions inward. Wow, this is way more pigmented than I expected. Wow, that blends really nice. Okay, Nabla. This is really pretty. Go back into that Soul Blooming palette into that color Middle Karma. Wow, this is so nice. I'm just tapping on the product so far into the other shade Bolero. We're just blending it in with swiper motions and now circular motions. We're using all kinds of motions to blend. I'm gonna get a little bit deeper in the outer corner. We're gonna go into the darkest shade, Caravaggio, I'm guessing that's what it's called. Put it in that outer corner, tap, 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 tap. And then I'm gonna use a tiny circular motion and blending it up. Okie dokie. So I'm gonna add this Climbing Rose shadow here. I don't want too much, I don't want it to be like too intense. And I'm going to tap that into Climbing Rose. This is really, really pretty. These shadows are really nice quality. I'm gonna go into Chamomile. This is the Anastasia A10 brush. Put it in circular motions here and blend it into that color to brighten it up. So I'm gonna do one more thing. This is the Anastasia 20 brush. It's like a flat brush. I'm gonna take it into Caravaggio. I'm gonna place it at the base of the lash line, just flat. So I'm making kind of like an eyeshadow liner. This was the Morphe Precise Pointed Blending Brush, and I'm gonna start to blend that. I'm adding more Caravaggio because I just feel like it's necessary. This is their Le Film Noir. It's a mascara by Nabla. I'm trying to be smooth and slick and I just drop things. Oh, this brush is so interesting. It's like 4 sides. It kind of reminds me of a pine tree. My impression so far is, wow. Shooketh. And I don't use shook lightly, you guys. I rarely even use it at all. Wow, that was, is this real life? This will be my go-to. Just mascara, no lashes, mascara. Take a break from the camera, pop on some lashes, apply my face makeup. So let's get into that. Aha! So this is the Nabla Velvet line. I'm gonna go ahead and just place that in the outer corner of the lash line. This is staying. Liners are liners to me, but so far it looks good. And I'm gonna take that Anastasia Beverly Hills 20 brush in Middle Karma. I'm just going to place that on the lash line. Their shadows are pretty pigmented, really nice, really easy to work with. Wow, Nabla. I'm going to blend a little bit. The liner is staying. Go back into Le Film Noir, a mascara by Nabla. We're gonna take it to the lashes. And I don't notice any weird smells or any like perfume-y smells or anything so far with the mascara, with anything really. Okay, I love this mascara. Now let's finish the face and the lips. These are all individual. This is called Kendra. Add the blush. I don't know if it shows up on camera. I like this. This is really pretty. This is a really pretty blush. Ooh. Kind of matches the eyeshadow. This is monochromatic, you guys. Monochromatic. I love this blush. I'm gonna try this one. It's called Shade and Glow, and this isn't Baby Glow. This doesn't look like it's gonna glow. Well, actually, wow, yeah, it is. It is more satiny, but it is really pretty. When I ask my clients if they want highlighter, and they're like, this is the kind of highlighter they need in their life. This brand is elegance, if I can give it one word. I almost forgot. This is the Nabla Magical Pencil, the inner corner highlight. So I'm gonna take this here. Wow, yeah, this is a cool little pencil they have here. That's why it's called Magic. So I'm gonna use these two together. This is the Nabla Velvet line, and this is in the shade Closer. This is really pigmented, going on really smooth. The color is what I expected too. It wasn't shockingly different, which was nice. So here we go into the color Zen. It felt like really thin and a lot of product just went on. I don't know yet if it's too dry and it feels a little sticky. I'll find out later if I really like it. If it's too dry, then I'm just not down with it. This is the finished look here, and I really like Nabla. So I hope that you like this. If you did, make sure to hit thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram at @NessaSunshine_, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Bye now!